What's up, everyone? I'm back again. All right, so today I want to talk about hey man, what's the confusion on what stock and how people are looking at stocks right now. Um, and we're talking about what stocks mean to me because it's a little confusing between retirement and stocks. They're not the same thing. But before I get into all that, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not your consultant. Um, and it's just a YouTube video. So talk to a consultant, talk to a lawyer, talk to a financial advisor before moving forward on any financial decision or legal decision. All right, here we go with it. So, what stock means to me? All right, the first one is it is a way to retire. You can invest in the stock market and in a retirement account. It is. It's there's nothing wrong with thinking that way. Now the issue comes is how much money do you need in a retirement account to before you stop investing in there? Because what are you gonna do with the 100 million in a retirement account when they tax you more to take that out than whenever you just used it in the first place? The whole point of the retirement account is there's a certain amount before you retire or stop investing before it start costing you more than what you earn in retirement. So always think about that. So what does stocks mean to me is hey, it is a way to invest, but for retirement, but retirement is not just stocks. Retirement is other method. It's a retirement method. So 401k is a retirement method, and there's some people who use the retirement method of real estate. Um, and if you didn't know, you can buy stock real estate. So you still can retire from with real estate by investing in companies that owns real estate. You take part ownership of those companies. So here's another thing that it is stock is a way to fight against inflation. It's a way to protect yourself well from inflation if you put in the index fund and you're using it for a to fight against inflation. It's perfectly fine to use stocks for it. And that's another way you can look at stocks. And then one of the big ways I look at it is passive income stocks. Because passive income stocks are dividend stocks. It's truly passive. You own a company. This isn't a retirement account. I'm talking about if you get done with your retirement account. Because there's a certain point you're done with your retirement account. It's pointless to keep putting in there. Because how much is enough in your retirement account is really just up to you. And I don't know what the real number is. I just know is people need to start looking at how much is too much in a retirement account. Because why keep saving $100 million if you're only gonna be living a $10,000 lifestyle, right? So everyone has to look at it, say, "Hey, I want to retire. How do you want to retire?" It's the very first question. Well, if you meet your goal, if you to the point where you how you want to retire, you're done. What are you gonna do with your extra money? Are you gonna stop working? Cool. If you're gonna stop working, and what are you gonna do with your time? Eventually, one of those avenues will earn you money, and one of those avenues can earn you a lot of money, a little bit of money. You don't know. That's the risk you're taking. So you have to understand a if you don't continue to work for someone or continue to put into retirement, there's a chance in retirement you're gonna make money because almost no one sits around doing nothing in retirement. Oh, someone always have a hobby or habit that they can make money off. All right. So another reason I own stocks, right, is you take ownership of a company. Means, hey, I'm buying this company because I see a future in the company. I want to own a piece of that company. The the idea of day trading is just to see if you can make money off of if the stock goes up and back down. That's pretty much saying, hey, I'm gonna hope one day the company goes up and then tomorrow I'm gonna sell it. Well, that's not what stocks were made for to do. It's what people use it for. So, but that's not what stock is made for. Stock's made for to keep longevity, and you should think if I'm gonna buy the stocks, I'm investing and buying into this company, and that's how you look at a stock. If you're not investing in the index fund, because you're the one looking at everything, right? And two is, or not two, but you can diversify in stocks very, very easy. It's another one. You can get in buy anything in stocks. You can buy crypto, buy real estate. You can be in the aviation. You can be in the security market. So you can use stock market to diversify. But you have to diversify your portfolio, which means you have to start picking companies you want to take ownership or buy from. If you're only thinking, hey, I'm buying this because it's it's gonna go up. No, it's, hey, I'm buying this because I want ownership, or hey, this company is gonna be around next 5 or 10, 20, 30 years. This is a company I believe in. So that's when why you should buy stocks and not this best way to put, and not to listen to everyone else. Why are you buying this stock? Seriously, so like, I'm buying this stock because I want ownership of this company, or I want to keep my money safe in that company. Two reasons, right? Ownership of the company, and what? That company's gonna keep my money safe. That's what it comes down to. All right. And the liquidity. Come on, man. You can sell the company stock portfolio within minutes and then wait 7 days, 14 days to get your money. That's generally how it works. So it's pretty liquid. It's all right. And this is another reason why I tell everyone, and the biggest reason I tell people when's it enough to pull out of retirement is, you know what's the fee on $100 million on an index fund portfolio? Go and calculate that. Comment below what the number is. But if you invest so much that you get $100 million, do you want to pay that much taxes or fees on it, or would you rather just pick your own stocks at that point? Because the fees on that is enormous, and you might as well start learning it, because there's nothing else you can do. There's fees. The fees is like 3%. 3% of 100 million. That's a lot of money. So at a certain point, you're gonna have to start stepping in and learning stocks and want ownership of these companies, because a retirement account is not where you want ownership of a company in. So, yep, those are the reason why you should own stocks. I don't know what else to tell you, but stocks are important. You need to invest your money. How much you invest That's up to you. How much is in your retirement you need to retire? That's up to you. Everything is up to you. But one of the big questions you need to ask yourself, how much is enough in retirement? And that goes the same time, what is the lifestyle I want to live? There's no point of talking about stocks if you do not have your retirement account finished or planned and set up. So everyone who's talking about stocks and believe that these are the stocks that are next future, do you have your retirement account set up with the index fund? Because you don't have a track record yet. Someone like me who studies the stock market, okay, I get a grace because I already finished my retirement accounts. Those are index funds. All index funds and maybe one or two ownership in a stock. But those stay index funds. I have my own dividend and portfolio with crypto that I have. And that is companies that I want to own that offer dividends and I believe that have high great returns in the future. These are companies I want to own. Luckily, most of those are in tech, and I have not yet dove into those tech companies because it was it was a all of them are losing companies right now because none of them are innovating. So I need to go back and go through and look at them all. I have a few. I email a few saying, "Hey, I'm a angel investor or I'm a stockholder investor." Meaning what? I want ownership a part of this company. I need to know what the dividends really gonna look like, and what is your growth potential, and what are you going to do with the company. And if y'all are interested in those videos, let me know. If not, I don't care. I'm going to end up buying stocks. I will tell y'all what I think about them, but if I invest in a stock, it's my money for one. Two, this is from a investor standpoint. This is not for day trading. This is for me, the investor, not you investing your money, right? I'm investing me as me investing my money into these stock markets to companies I think that's going to have a good turnaround. Some may do good, some may do bad, but hey, I'll let you know because I finished my retirement account and I haven't seen any gurus talk about what to do when your retirement account's finished. Because going out and blowing it all kind of beats the purpose on doing it. And two is, when's it enough? I don't know, but I think I put enough. I'm still gonna invest a little bit, but back out and enjoy my life a little bit. So, all right, later.